North Carolina high school athletes can get back to practice after months off the field or out of the gym.
Those starting today are going to be working hard to protect the students, the coaches, everyone from COVID-19. Reporter Gina Esposito joins us now live this morning. And Gina, we know that there are some districts that are choosing to hold off a bit longer.
Yeah, we called several school districts in our area and learned that CMS and Cabarrus County schools won't resume voluntary workouts today. We did learn that Iredell Statesville schools will be. We spoke with the head football coach over at Lake Norman High School, and he says that they are going above and beyond the guidelines from the North Carolina High School Athletic Association. And this first week on the football field, the coach says they'll be at 100% equipment free, even though the state said they could. He says they're also prepared for social distancing. The school painted field circles that are 30 feet apart. The state only required 12 feet. Iredell Statesville schools are not requiring players to wear masks, but the coach is strongly encouraging his players to wear one during workouts. He says they're taking all the right precautions.
Our kids are only working out for 40 minutes. We've allotted 30 minutes for check-in and temperature and pre-screening questions.
It's definitely almost a little bit of a distraction, but at the same time, you know, people's safety is the #1 priority.
Both CMS and Cabarrus County schools will resume practice on July 6th. CMS says the time will allow them to put procedures in place, training, and make sure that equipment is ready to go. Blaine.
All right.